Yet another maker of life-saving protection against the coronavirus and its variants have been given the thumbs up to distribute its proprietary medication in the country. PTV correspondent Mark Fatalco dwells on the details of the seventh vaccine maker joining the immunization rollout bandwagon in this report.
The Food and Drug Administration has granted the EUA request of Moderna for its COVID-19 vaccine.
It has been decided that all conditions for an EUA are present, and that the benefit of using the vaccine outweighs the known and potential risks.
This is the seventh vaccine to secure an EUA in the country following Pfizer, AstraZeneca, CoronaVac, Sputnik V, Janssen, and Covaxin. Moderna uses a messenger RNA technology that produces spike proteins to generate an immune response. The vaccine, which has a 94.1% efficacy rate, is safe for those 18 years old and above and should be administered in 2 doses within an interval of 28 days. Some common side effects include swelling or pain in the injection site, fever, headache, fatigue, and vomiting. It has to be stored in a freezer with -25 to -15 degrees Celsius temperature. A total of 20 million doses of Moderna vaccines have been secured under a tripartite agreement, 13 million of which will be allotted to the government, with 7 million doses to be set aside for the private sector. Meanwhile, the DOH said 6 travelers from India who arrived in the Philippines before the travel ban have tested positive for COVID-19.
110 po sa kanila ay nagkaroon na ng pagsusuri or pagtetest sa kanila. 6 turned out to be positive, and it is now submitted to the Philippine Genome Center for whole genome sequencing. Meron pong 6 na hanggang ngayon ay nilolocate pa rin natin out of this 117.
And as part of the strict border control being implemented by the government, the DOH will recommend that travelers who arrive in the country be tested on the 7th or 8th day of their quarantine.
Although hindi natin dinidiscount yung fact na maaring meron na 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. Pero pinakamataas po because the viral load is high is on the 7th and 8th day.
Mark Fatalco for The Nation.